So far, we've introduced two measures of central tendency to you, the median and the mode. I guess a question that you might ask is, well, why have multiple measures? And it just depends on context. It depends on what we're trying to do with the information that we have. And I'll give you a couple examples. Let's imagine that you are the manager of a donut shop. Who would not want to manage a donut shop? And so you are looking in, say, 5-minute increments at when your busiest times are. So you're counting the number of customers that come in 5-minute windows throughout your opening hours. Perhaps notably, you are going to have this big rush in the morning, and maybe there's a little pop around lunch or around fika time or coffee time. You are wanting to schedule out when you have workers or what kind of work your workers are doing. It's more likely that you're going to care about the modal times that customers are coming. When are they coming more frequently? When are they gathering? Than, say, the median time, like half the people came in before this time and half of the people came in after this time. That's probably just not that interesting of a question for you. So in that example, go with the mode. But in another case, let's say that you were the director of an emergency room, an ER. And you are trying to get a sense of how many resources, most notably human resources, human capital, nurses, doctors, etc., equipment, rooms on any given day. And some days in the ER are going to be busier, and some days in the ER are going to be less busy. And at that point, it's probably more likely the median would matter more. Half of the days we have fewer than 17 visitors in the ER, and half of the days we have more than 17 visitors. That might be a more central focal point for you to guide your ER policy around. So context matters a lot, and it gives us those prompts that we need to help us understand when to use what.